Welcome, Layer Farm Management course overview. This course offers a deep dive into layer farm management, introduction to layer farming, learn about the poultry industry and the role of layer hen, understand economic factor in the farming, breeds and genetics, discover different layer breed and their traits, see how genetics affect production and profits, housing and environment, explore housing design and management, focus on ventilation, lighting and space for hen welfare, nutrition and feeding, understand essential nutrition for hens, learn to formulate balanced diet for better egg production, health strategies, learn disease prevention and biosecurity, follow vaccination protocol for flock health, egg production and quality, study factor affecting egg production, learn about egg handling, storage and marketing, record keeping and financials, maintain accurate records and analyze performance, plan financially for sustainable operations, sustainability practices, explore sustainability farming practices, focus on waste management and resource efficiency. This course is ideal for aspiring farmer and students gain knowledge to improve layer production system